and welcome to Megabyte. I'm Freddy, and today we're sitting in my new gaming room, which is a temporary solution. I'm about to move to my new studio. I'm getting a studio, so that's awesome. So I'm about to move to my studio, which I just got, which I'm so stoked about. So we're gonna do all the recordings of the videos, all the benchmarks, all the buildings, and all tech related things. It's gonna be in the studio. Of course, there's gonna be some exceptions when we need to do something outside or maybe take something home and do something fun with it. So you're gonna see the new studio. What you're gonna see when we move out from the old place and into the new one. So you get first-hand view of what's going on in the new space and how we're gonna decorate it and how we're gonna set it up so it works the best for us. Because we need a desk for all my technical work when I type and search and do all that crap, and we're gonna need a build bench, and we're gonna need a photo bench where we shoot everything so we get the best pictures possible from all of the things we try out and build and stuff like that. So you might wonder why we need a new studio. Well, the reason being that we're growing and becoming that big. We're not big YouTubers that need extra room and earn that much income from our videos and stuff like that. It's just that I need space where I can leave a PC running for a long time, maybe a long stress test or a build perhaps. I need it to be able to be running 24/7 without kids touching it. That's just the reason. And the way it's working out right now is that we have 2 apartments, and that's not really economical. So we're getting rid of one and switching that out for a studio instead. Makes sense. So that's the reason behind why we need a new studio. This is gonna be fun. I'm gonna head to the studio a bit later tonight because the meeting we had ran a bit over time. The landlord wanted to have a little chat about the internet and stuff like that. So yeah, internet, the landline internet is coming on. Well, within a week it's coming, but for now we're just gonna have Wi-Fi. So we're about to go get the key for the studio. So this is gonna be awesome. The weather is crap here in Sweden right now, so it's raining, but it's springtime, or well, almost springtime. It's been a couple of rough days. We were at the vet taking care of our dog that was gonna have puppies, but it didn't really turn out that way, unfortunately, but what can you do? And then last night we were at the hospital with our son. So we have a rough couple of days here, but now we're going to get the key and we're gonna start this journey. So was a meeting with the landlord, so we're gonna have to take a look at the studio later tonight, because yeah, well, the meeting took a bit more time than I was expecting, but we got the key, everything's fine. We don't have landline internet yet, but it's coming in a week's time or within a week, so that's gonna be cool when that happens. But we need to go shopping. So hello guys, and welcome to the studio. I mean, there's not much to see here for now. So we're just inside. It's all white and it's not extremely big, but it's gonna be good enough, no problems. So we're gonna make our studio area behind me here, and the workbench on this end, and we're gonna have all the way on this side here, we're gonna have our photo set. Let's see, decent amount of lighting here, a bit yellow though, but this is gonna be really cool though. So we're gonna put some desks here, we're gonna put some shelves and drawers and stuff like that. Wooden floor, nice enough, right? And yeah, so we're in the old studio now, and we're gonna try to get most of this out and into the new studio. So it's really messy in here. Everything's just thrown around in crates and stuff. There's some things that's going in for to the apartment as well, so not everything is going to the studio, but pretty much the most of it. So yeah, we have some work to do here. So first of all, we're gonna dismantle the table. So yeah, let's get going. So now this office is empty and it's echoing like, wow, insane, but we're done here. Now only comes the moving into the new studio. A whole lot of more carrying and driving. So I see you in the studio. So we're on our way with the first load here. It might be the last load as well. It's the second load. Oh man, this day. So second load of the day, and it's gonna be the last. Didn't really pan out like I wanted it to. I was hoping to get all the moving done and get me some shelves for the walls in the new studio, but guess we're gonna have to take that in the weekend. So we're in the studio right now. Not everything is here, but some. We got the tables here that we're gonna mount up. That's pretty much what we're gonna do today. So this is pretty much what you're gonna see in the stream, something like this, I guess, so you don't get that ventilation pipe. But yeah, so we're gonna put some shelves around this height, around maybe two floors. As I said, at this point we're gonna do all the footage of the components, equipment, the stuff we're reviewing is gonna be on a little bench around there. On that wall we're gonna have our building area. So yeah, a few soft boxes in the middle of the room, pretty much, just to light it up all up. So yeah, let's get to it. So if you like this type of video, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and check down in the comments for links and info. Helps me out a lot. There's also the merch store where you can buy sweet ass swag, and I'll see you in the next one.